Welcome back to Shaving Down Under. I'm Doug and we have another unboxing video. This one will be short and sweet, I think. Oh yeah. Gillette Tuckaway Nickel. I love it. Got the shipper. Oh, please just come off easy. Yes. Got the shipper. Got the calico bag. I think it's calico. Some black stuff in there. I don't know what that's from. Oof, it's everywhere. I'm going to have to clean up. And there we have it. Nickel Tuckaway. There's a lot of black and that must be let me just it must be lacquer or something like that. Oh, glue. I can hear it rattling around. Let's see if I can get it. Can you hear that? I reckon it's glue. I wonder if this will lift up. No. Anyway, it's made a mess. But it's beautiful condition, and I love these tuck away razors. Let me see if I can just clean this up a bit more. Look at that, it's come out. So we've got some blades in the blade bank. No idea if they're original with it. I'm just going to say yes because of the condition that everything is in, besides the black stuff that's floating around. There we go. And see if I can polish that up a bit. It's not really coming up, but that's all right. Just a real lovely razor. I just really like these tuck away sets, the pocket edition ones. Just really, just really love them. And I'm always on the hunt for ones that are in really nice condition, which this one is. Well, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and we'll chat again soon. Ciao for now.